In this video, I just want to review the abutment files we've included in this download. So if you open this folder, you're going to see 3 different Blue Sky Bio STL files and 2 different from DES. The differences being the Blue Sky Bio Large, which is 5 millimeters in diameter, Mini, which is 3.75 in diameter, and the Regular, which is 4.75 in diameter. Beyond that, we really don't care because there are many different platforms, different implant platforms, but they all, from Blue Sky Bio, fall into one of these 3 categories, from the margin of the abutment to the tie base, to the chimney itself. Those are the only things that matter for this approach. Now, from DES, it has 2 different sizes. So if you already have abutments in your inventory and you're not sure which you have, you can take a digital caliper and measure the diameter of the margin. You'll see, is it 500, 3.75, sorry, 5 millimeters, 3.75 or 4.5? That'll tell you. You can also determine which ones you need to buy by clicking on this chart right here. You'll notice it's color-coded by implant platform: Biomax, Internal Hex, Quattro, Conus 12, Trilobe. If you're wondering which ones will apply to your implant system, for instance, the Biomax is Nobel Conical, Trilobe is Nobel Trilobe. Quattro is Straumann Bone Level, Internal Hex is Zimmer or Implant Direct Legacy. Conus 12, or BioHorizon as well for the Internal Hex. Conus 12 is the Astra TX. So you've got various different ones. Actually, I can't remember if it's TX or TC. I apologize, but it's one of those. You've got various ones to pick. And so in the picture I showed before, the one that is on the right here, this image, this is in fact the Biomax NP Tall, okay, which this is the product number from Blue Sky Bio, ABJHNP18, and it is in blue, which means this is the file size it corresponds to, the regular 450. So that you know when you're using the software, this is the STL I'm going to import to create my template. Okay, so hopefully that clarifies. I hope I didn't cause more confusion. Just remember, if you're not sure which file to use, look at this chart, figure out which color it is, and whatever color it is, if it's green, blue, or pink, this is the abutment, the STL file you're going to use in the software moving forward. All right, thanks so much.